Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is press and hold your power key. And here you can see power off option. Then just touch and hold it. Then tap on safe mode. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode. And the restart is complete. Now you can see in my phone safe mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable safe mode, just swipe from top to bottom. Then tap on tap here to turn off safe mode. Then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode. And the restart is complete. Now you can see safe mode has been disabled successfully. Now you have to swipe from top to bottom. And then turn off flight mode from here. And it's done. And that is how you can enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy S05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.